I'm Emily, and today we're going to assemble the Bellante crib and more. Please make sure that you are working with the correct pieces and hardware, and if anything is missing, please contact consumer care. One way to know that you are working with the correct hardware is to compare them to the illustrations in the instructions. Like that. For the first step, we will attach the sides to the back rail, and for this you will need 6 45mm bolts and your provided Allen wrench. Remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. Like that. For the second step, we will attach the mattress support to the crib, and for this you will need 4 18mm bolts and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to use the highest position for your newborn and go lower as your child grows. Make sure to use the short side of the Allen wrench to really tighten the bolts. Like that. For the third step, we will attach the front rail to the crib, and for this you will need 6 45mm bolts and your provided Allen wrench. For this step, we will attach the front rail from the inside of the crib. And remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to really tighten the bolts. And like that, congratulations, you have just assembled your Bellante crib and more. Now we will convert your crib into a daybed, and for this, you'll need to remove the front rail using your Allen key. Like that. Now we will attach the conversion rail to the daybed, and for this we will need 4 35mm bolts and your provided Allen wrench. Remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to really tighten the bolts. Congratulations, you've just assembled your daybed. Toddler bed guardrails and bed conversion rails are available for purchase.